Hi, it's Danny Ramey with Circo Innovations. We are excited to show you this new design. It's a smart pot compost sack. Enjoy the video. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content.
The compost sack is a porous fabric composting container that makes composting easy and affordable. Turn leaves, yard trimmings, and kitchen scraps into 100% rich, organic soil improving amendment. Affordable, over 100-gallon capacity. Breathable fabric, speeds up microbial activity. Lightweight, easy to use, reusable. 30 wide by 38 inches tall. Makes up to 12 cubic feet of pure compost.
Let's go over the parts needed to build the frame. So you open up here, for the swivel design, we have a snap tab. This snap tab has a snap clamp design that goes on the PVC pipe, and on the back here we use some Velcro, allowing it for it to hinge back and forth. Then we have 3 snap clamps holding on the top of the sack, and then over here we have 4 of the 3-way fittings. Some PVC pipe coming down. In the bottom here you can see we're using 90-degree L's. Also we have the cross here. This is a slip cross. This one comes straight through, and these are cut off at that portion there. And we'll have the full parts list in the description on the video. Alright, the lid design that you saw earlier, utilizing the snap tab and the grizzly board, is just one of the options. Smart Pot has come out with a design that allows for this plastic cover to slip over the top nicely, allowing you not to have too much water into your compost area. If it's a windy area, you can also use snap clamps to secure it on. This setup's easy to take off and on. Add your compost, put it right back on the top. Look at the compost and how it's turned into usable soil. Hey, what are you doing in there again? You stinker. As I was saying, compost. Thanks for watching this video. We'd like to do one more shout out to Smart Pots. Go ahead and check them out. They're a great company, and we'll be working with them much more in the future with PVC designs. And as always, if you'd like to purchase any of our products, go to www.circoinnovations.com.